Can I just say, it is officially my favorite time of the year, and it's also time for your monthly Choose a Photo prediction video. So get ready to hear exactly what you need to know because this month is bringing some major shifts and breakthroughs, and I have so much to share with you in this video. And really quickly, if you're new here, I'm Mary Kate and I'm a mindset coach and manifesting expert focused on getting you transformational results. Here on my channel, I pride myself in making manifestation make sense without all of the unnecessary confusion. I post brand new videos every single Wednesday, so be sure to subscribe and also hit that bell notification so you can get notified whenever I post a new video. And these Choose a Photo videos are some of my most popular, most requested videos because they are insanely accurate. I cannot even begin to tell you just how shocked people are time and time again and how spot on these messages and predictions are. So it's time to find out for yourself. And here is how it works. You choose a photo and I will give you the exact message and prediction that you are meant to hear. Plus, I will also be sharing specific affirmations and meditations to use to really maximize and amplify your results this month. And before we get into the video, go ahead and hit that little thumbs up button below if you are participating for this month. It takes just a quick second, but it lets me know that you're watching and getting value. So once you do that, let's get right into it. Now, if you've been here before, you know the drill, but just in case you're new, here's what's about to happen. In just a moment, I'm gonna put up 4 different images up on the screen at the same time, and without overthinking it, you are going to choose just one. And then I will give you an accurate prediction and manifestation message that you are meant to hear based on whichever photo you choose. Plus, you'll also get a specific affirmation tailored to you and a meditation that you need to start using this month. Now, like I've mentioned in my other Choose a Photo videos, this is not tarot, it's not any kind of psychic thing. This is actually based in psychology, energy, visualization, and interpretation. And like I mentioned, you are going to be shocked at the results of this. So are you ready for it? Because here we go. Those 4 photos are about to go up on the screen, and try not to overthink it or go too deep or go back and forth. Pick the one that you're drawn to first. You might not even like the picture, it doesn't matter. What are you instinctively drawn to first? And once you do that, I'm gonna tell you what it means, what's about to happen for you, and give you lots of tools that are just really gonna give you great results this month. So here are the 4 photos, and again, just pick one, and I will tell you the message and prediction that you were meant to hear. Here they are, and you have just a few seconds to choose. So if you chose the first photo of that knotted rope, here is the message and prediction that you were meant to hear, as well as an affirmation and a meditation that will benefit you the most this month. So right now, you are carrying way too much stress, way too much anxiety, and there is something specific that's either been weighing on your mind constantly or just kind of holding you back and holding you down. Maybe it's a situation that you feel stuck in, or a decision that you need to make, or maybe even just a general feeling of being overwhelmed by everything on your plate, even if you can't quite verbalize it. You feel squeezed and pressed from all sides. And it's almost like you're being pulled in so many different directions that you almost can't even think straight anymore. But here's what you need to understand. This stress and anxiety is not actually helping you solve anything. In fact, it's making everything so much harder than it actually needs to be. When you're in this stressed state, you can't access your intuition. You can't think clearly, and you definitely can't make the best decisions because your nervous system is completely overwhelmed. So right now, it's time to give yourself permission to just breathe. Easier said than done sometimes, I know. But that thing that's been consuming your thoughts, it's not as urgent or catastrophic as your mind is making it out to be. Your brain is designed to keep you safe. So it's going to amplify threats and make everything feel like an emergency. But most of the time, that's not actually the case. So take a step back and ask yourself, what would happen if I just let go of control for just a moment? What if I trusted that things were gonna work out even if I'm not constantly overthinking or stressing about it? Because here's the truth. All of that mental energy that you're spending on worry is energy that could actually be used for creating solutions. So this month is all about learning to regulate your nervous system, learning to find calm in the chaos, and learning to trust that you don't have to carry the weight of the world on your shoulders at all times. So this month, start prioritizing rest or relaxation or activities that bring you peace or joy or happiness, and stop glorifying being busy and stressed all of the time. Your well-being matters more than checking off every box on your to-do list. And when you operate from a place of calm and centeredness, everything flows so much easier. The solutions come, the clarity comes, and that stress that you've been carrying naturally starts to dissolve. So if you chose this photo, be sure to start using this affirmation. It's all coming together and working out perfectly in my favor. I know exactly what to do. And I know that one was kind of long, so I'll repeat it again. It's all coming together and working out perfectly in my favor. I know exactly what to do. And if you chose this photo, be sure to start using either the nervous system reset subliminal or the relaxation meditation. You can use them both or pick whichever one resonates with you most. I'm gonna link both of those down below for you. And if you chose this photo, your prediction is that you are going to start seeing yellow ducks everywhere. It could be rubber ducks, it could be duck toys, maybe real ducks, or pictures of ducks. Watch how often yellow ducks start showing up for you. And if you chose the second photo of those pink and white balls, here is the message and prediction that you were meant to hear, as well as an affirmation and a meditation that will benefit you the most this month. You've been taking life way too seriously lately. Everything feels heavy and intense, and it's almost like you've forgotten how to just enjoy the simple moments. You've been so focused on what's not working or what's missing or what needs to be fixed that you've completely disconnected from the joy and fun that's available to you right now. Stop making everything so serious, because life is happening right now. Life doesn't start when you get that thing that you want or when you solve that specific problem or when everything is perfect. It's happening right now. And you're missing part of it because you're so caught up in your head, overanalyzing, overthinking everything. If you're honest, when was the last time you simply sat still or paused and enjoyed a moment? When was the last time you did something just for fun, with no agenda or goal attached to it, or took a you day? When was the last time that you were fully present in a moment without your mind racing to the next thing or the next thing or the next thing? You've been living in the future, constantly planning and preparing and worrying about what's coming next. Or maybe you've actually been living in the past, replaying conversations or situations over and over again and just torturing yourself. But you're missing the magic that is happening right now. The sweet moments of life can be fleeting. And if you're not paying attention to them, you miss them. So this month is about coming back to the present moment, coming back to play and spontaneity and lightness again. Stop making everything mean so much. Stop making everything a big deal. The world around you will try and tell you things are a certain way, but you can find peace within. Sometimes a situation is just a situation. Sometimes a conversation is just a conversation. You don't have to analyze or dissect everything that happens. So start looking for moments of joy and fun throughout your day. Start doing things that make you feel alive and excited. Start affecting those around you with joy and happiness. And maybe even start saying yes to things that sound fun, even if they don't make logical sense. Because when you're in joy, when you're in fun, when you're in the present moment, that's where life happens. That's where magic happens. That's where good things show up and happen for you. And more importantly, that's when life just starts flowing in your favor. So if you chose this photo, be sure to start using this affirmation. Fun, joy, and ease are just standard for me. And also, be sure to start using either the In Your Favor subliminal or the Gratitude Vortex meditation. You can use them both or pick whichever one resonates with you most. And if you chose this photo, your prediction is that you are going to start seeing unicorns everywhere. It could be unicorn toys or unicorn decorations or people wearing a unicorn shirt or maybe even just unicorn images. Watch how often unicorns start showing up for you. And if you chose the third photo of the balloons, here is the message and prediction that you were meant to hear, as well as an affirmation and a meditation that will benefit you the most this month. Right now, it is time for a complete mindset shift. Right now, you are living your life completely at the mercy of your circumstances. So basically, whatever is happening around you is dictating how you feel, what you think is possible, and what actions you actually take. If something good happens to you, then you feel good. But if something challenging happens to you, you just feel terrible. You're letting the outside world dictate how you feel, and you're kind of just like a ping pong ball bouncing around based on whatever external thing presents itself to you. But you have more power than that. You're not at the mercy of life's circumstances. You are actually the creator of your experience. And what I mean by that is it all starts with your beliefs and the meanings that you're attaching to things. Right now, you have beliefs that are keeping you stuck in cycles. Beliefs about what's possible for you, or beliefs about how life works, or maybe even beliefs about what you're capable of. And most of these beliefs aren't even yours. They were given to you from other people, formed by past experiences. They're not actually your own. It's what the world told you about yourself. And just because you believe something for a long time doesn't make it actually true. You've just bought into it. So just because something happened in the past does not mean it needs to keep happening. You get to choose what you believed. You understand how powerful that is. You get to choose what things mean. You get to choose how you respond to things. You get to choose your point of view about everything in your life. So this month is about examining your beliefs and asking yourself, is this actually true, or is this just a story I've been telling myself? Because when you change your beliefs, you change your entire reality. When you stop letting outside circumstances control your inner state, you become unstoppable. And when you realize that you have the power to choose your thoughts, choose your focus and your responses, then everything around you starts to change. So stop giving away your power to situations or to other people or to things that are outside of your control. You get to determine how you react to it. Start operating from the truth of who you are, the one who gets to choose the experiences you have. And I want you to look at any area of your life where you feel stuck or frustrated and notice, what beliefs are you holding about these areas? Are they serving you, or are they limiting you? And what would happen if you chose to believe something completely different? Then what would be possible? Because you're not stuck, you're not limited, you're not at the mercy of anything outside of you. You are free to think differently and believe differently, and therefore experience life differently. And if you chose this photo, I want you to start using this affirmation. My success is inevitable. I can have, be, or do anything. My success is inevitable. I can have, be, or do anything. And also be sure to start using either the belief reprogramming meditation or the law of assumption meditation. You can use them both or pick whichever one resonates with you most. They'll both be linked down below for you. And if you chose this photo, your prediction this month is that you are going to start seeing glitter everywhere. I hope it's not in the form of like spilled glitter all over your house, but it could be glitter on the floor. It could be glitter on art, glitter on your clothes. Watch how often glitter starts showing up all around you. Maybe someone wearing glitter. Glitter is your prediction this month. And if you chose the fourth photo of the shattered glass, here is the message and prediction that you were meant to hear, as well as an affirmation and a meditation that will benefit you the most this month. It's time to stop waiting for the perfect moment and start taking action now, because you've been putting off things for far too long, if you're honest with yourself. There are dreams that you want to pursue, or conversations you might need to have, or changes that you want to make, or maybe even opportunities that you want to explore. But you sit there and you keep telling yourself, maybe someday, or maybe when the time's right, or maybe when I'm more ready. But the truth is, you will never feel completely ready. There will never be the perfect moment, and you will always be able to talk yourself out of something or find a reason to wait a little bit longer. Your brain is designed to keep you safe, and sometimes taking action can feel really unsettling, which your brain doesn't really like. So it will come up with every excuse, every reason to wait, every potential problem that might come up. But the truth is, if nothing changes, nothing changes. All of those things that you've been wanting to do, or all of those dreams that you've been putting on hold, they're not going to happen by themselves without you doing anything different. You have to be the one to just take the first step. And the only way to make these things happen is to just start. Not when you have all of the answers, not when you feel completely confident, and not when everything aligns perfectly. It's now. Life is happening now. Opportunities are here now. And your dreams are waiting for you to act on them now. Stop robbing yourself of the life you really want by waiting for some imaginary future moment. Because every day that you wait is a day that you could have been living the life that you actually want. And every day that you hesitate is another day of settling for less than what's possible for you. This month is all about breaking through the illusion of perfectionism and just starting. Take one small action towards something that you've been wanting. Send that message, make that phone call, sign up for that thing, start the project. Just take a step. And it doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to be huge. It just has to be something. Because when you take one action, it creates momentum for the next action and the next action. And before you know it, you're actually living the life that you've been dreaming about instead of just thinking about it and over planning it. So the time is now, your life is now, your dreams are waiting for you to show up for them. What do you choose to do? And if you chose this photo, I want you to start using this affirmation this month. I am right on time and right where I'm meant to be. I'm ready to receive. I am right on time and right where I'm meant to be. I'm ready to receive. And also be sure to start using either the quantum manifesting meditation or the life upgrade activation subliminal. You can use them both or pick whichever one resonates with you most. They'll both be linked down below for you. And if you chose this photo, your prediction is that you are going to start seeing red birds everywhere. It could be in person, it could be on TV, or maybe in a photo, or even just someone talking about red birds. Watch how often red birds start showing up for you. So those are the 4 photos. Let me know which photo you chose, if it was 1, 2, 3, or 4, and if the message resonated with you. I truly always love hearing the results from these Choose a Photo videos, and I pretty much read through every single one, so leave me a comment below. And like I mentioned, if you wanna watch the other videos and predictions like this one, you can click the link in the description box for the Choose a Photo playlist. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell notification so you can get notified whenever I post a new video. You can also find me over on Instagram and TikTok and Threads at MK Magic Mindset. And if you want to learn more about me, my programs, how to work with me, and more, you can visit my website at mkmagicmindset.com. And I will see you in the next one.